OpenAI has launched Sora 2 video generation model, and they claim this to be as the best video generator out there. So in this video we are going to compare Sora 2's video with Google's Veo 3 video. And here I am in the OpenAI's official blog for Sora 2. Here they are having so much sample videos along with the prompt. So we will be comparing the existing videos over here, and I'll be using this particular prompt and head over to Flow, which is Google's video generation tool, and here I'm going to use Veo 3 quality generation model to generate the videos. So it's going to be text to video. So first I really wanted to generate this video. A skateboarder does a kick flip. So this is that video. This has sounds, so I'm just going to mute the sound. And the main thing that I really like about this video is how the skateboard flips in the leg and the ground. It looks super realistic. There isn't any distortion or flaw in this. That's how perfectly Sora 2 has generated it. That's the reason why I wanted to begin with it, because it's going to be quite challenging for Veo 3. Let's see what it gives. So let me click that video. This is that prompt. Going here, text to video, Veo 3 quality, and run this. Veo 3 has also done a good job. You just see here, right? When compared to this, Sora 2 looks more realistic, I would say. The lighting, the light effect, and the complexness involved in Sora is much better. The realism is much more visible in Sora 2 than this video generated by Veo 3. So you can literally say this is an AI video, like in the first glance itself, just by looking at the quality of that video, and we are getting some, that distortion in the skateboard. But for this video it's going to be really hard to say if this is an AI generated video. So that's where Sora 2, I guess, succeeds mainly in generating that realism, which makes it harder for the people to even guess if this is an AI video. Okay, next I'm going with this particular video. So this is where a horse is riding over a horse, and that person is riding a horse.
Head under me.
And it has a dialogue over here. So the prompt is quite simple. Like, it really says a man rides a horse which is on another horse. So simple. Let's see what Veo 3 is going to give for this. Okay, this is the output that we get from Veo 3, and that person has vanished. There was a guy, the person is gone, and the horse is not even moving. And why there is another person in the back? Like, why to generate 3 horses? 2 is enough, right? And there is no movement. When compared to Sora is like hyper realistic. Just look at the realism over here. It literally looks taken out from a movie scene. Okay, that's how realistic this looks. And the person is riding and moving, but in Veo 3 the person just vanishes and there is not much of a movement going here. Okay, this video is absolutely insane. Just look at it. So basically there is a person skating and she is carrying a cat. Okay, and just look how good it looks. Even the cat is spinning so perfectly, and after the end the cat literally lands on the floor. That's also so smooth that the sync and the physics is top notch. Okay, and for this also it was quite a simple prompt. It's just a figure skater performs a triple axel with a cat on her head. That's how simple it is. This is the video Veo 3 has generated. We got the cat, we got the person, and this video kinda looks good, not gonna lie. Probably, I think, when compared to all the other 2 videos generated, this video is the best. Like, this comes on par with Sora 2. This is the another video I'm going to generate. Same horse, but this time there is 2 horses and a person is riding both of them, not on one horse on another. So we have an improvement. So this is how it's going to look, and the person will fall at the end. That's the thing. And yep, he's losing his balance and he just falls down. So in this video I won't say the quality is good, but it just looks like a 1980s scene, but it looks super realistic. It really looks like a scene from 1980s movie. So let's see. This is the prompt, and the crazy thing is the physics and the background, the lighting, the coloring, everything looks so realistic. So that's the main test that we're going to give for Veo 3. Okay, we have got the video, and I can literally notice a mistake over here. The person is only standing on one of the horses. Literally the other horse is running freely. So here you can see, right? A person is standing on two horses with legs spread. So it's not at all there. That particular prompt thing is not like being utilized, and he just jumps off in a hurried manner, so it doesn't like make sense at all. The video quality looks good, to be honest. This literally looks, the horse is perfect, everything is perfect, the quality is good, but when it comes to that executing that prompt and realism, following that physics and stuff, that's where Sora 2 comes way handy. So as a conclusion, what I will say is, from all these creations, even though in some cases Veo 3's quality is so good, it still has its own problems. Like in many places we can still get that this is an AI video, there are a bit of distortions, and in some cases it doesn't even fully understand the prompt and execute it. Whereas in Sora 2, the physics has been fixed, the dynamics, the objects, the movement, everything has been corrected, and the realism is unmatched. Just how realistic each video looks. So I guess the main difference comes here is, if you watch a video from Sora 2, you can't even figure out if it's a really made video or it's an AI video. Do let me know in the comments what you think about it. Check the playlist of my channel, done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Thanks for watching.